Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw income from Memberful subscriptions to your bank, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw income from Memberful subscriptions to your bank, start by logging into your Memberful account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can view your current subscriptions. Locate the Payouts section on the left-hand menu. Click on Payouts to access your earnings. Here, you will see your total earnings as well as any pending and completed payouts. To withdraw your funds, click on the Withdraw button if it is available. You may need to set up your bank account information if you haven't done so already. To do this, choose the option to add a bank account. Enter your bank account details accurately, including your account number and routing number. Make sure to double-check for any mistakes in the information you provide. After entering the required details, save the changes to your account. Return to the Payouts section to initiate the withdrawal. Choose the amount you wish to withdraw, keeping in mind any minimum thresholds. Confirm the withdrawal request by following the prompts on the screen. You will receive a confirmation once your withdrawal has been successfully submitted. Funds typically take a few business days to reflect in your bank account. Keep track of your withdrawal history for your records and financial planning. If you encounter any issues during the process, reach out to Memberful support for assistance. Follow these steps regularly to manage your earnings efficiently from Memberful subscriptions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.